Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use VitalSleep Anti-Snoring device. So right over here, if you get the device, so it's very easy on how you can use it. So first up, what you have to do is just start by placing the VitalSleep mouthpiece in the hot water for 1 minute to soften, because it's hard in the start. So just put it in water and just wait for it to get soft, and then once it gets softened, carefully remove it and then let it cool for a few seconds. Next, place the mouthpiece in your mouth and bite down gently to create a custom fit. Press in firmly against your teeth, then place it in cold water to lock in the shape. Before going to bed, insert the device and make sure it feels comfortable. Alright? And once it's comfortable, what you have to do is just use the adjustment tool if you need to move your lower jaw forward a bit, or maybe even forward a little time until you find the setting that works best for you. It may feel a little unusual for the first few nights, but that's completely normal as you get used to wearing it. Clean the mouthpiece every morning by rinsing it with cool water and brushing it gently with soft toothbrush. Many users say that Vital device is easy to fit, comfortable after a few nights, and help reduce snoring, leading a quieter and more restful night's sleep. And that's all there is it too. So with the right fit and regular cleaning, your VitalSleep device is ready to use. So I hope this tool actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one. Until then, goodbye and peace out.